out. Kaylin has her own music playing. This bitch is lit by her damn self, and that's what I know. We're out running the streets. We're out running the streets. Josh walked away to vlog.
Yeah, I had
but I'm gonna show him my YouTube channel, and we're gonna bond. Last time we were together, I threw up in his car.
That's right.
It was bad.
Right, come on.
That pineapple mint from Harold, it was called Harold's Ice Bar. I don't know. Where was we at?
And this bitch loves hookah. She's been talking about hookah for the past 15 minutes.
I love hookah.
Love.
And they be talking about it give you bronchitis.
Probably.
And it be fucking with your lungs.
Probably.
I don't care. I love hookah. I love all the flavor. Like, I just have a love.
Bitch, she likes fruity drinks. She was drinking margarita mix. That's why she acting like this. She loves a little fruity moment.
I really do. I love a mojito. I love a margarita. I just love all the things. Give me all the fruit.
She's really classy, really girly, really ladylike.
I really am because
Very petite.
I'm not petite. This is the beginning for you all.
We haven't even done shit.
Okay.
Josh, just say hello to my vlog.
What up, though?
My window got bust,
Yes.
and we're
Literally,
sitting.
look at my hand.
Doors were open.
Bro, the door, Atlanta, bro. I'm pissed.
Bro.
So what do I do? Like insurance, bitch? Like I'm confused.
Kaylin, sit on your jacket. Kaylin, sit on your jacket, bro.
The shit is falling, bro. This is dangerous. What the fuck? How nobody else window got bust?
I told you. All the windows got busted. I told you.
My G is.
I told you.
I'm so paranoid. I'm like the nigga you talk to say.
Doors unlocked. It should have didn't happen. They should have just opened the fucking door. Nigga don't even try to open the door no more. Nigga just bust fucking windows, bro.
I didn't know Atlanta was like that. They would talk about it, but I didn't know Atlanta was like
I
that.
said you have to let me know when you're here, bro, because shit really be going down like that.
My T is it's wild. Wow.
You can't recognize
My window got bust. We're in the ghetto.
I just feel like, why would they do that?
I wonder how my shit sound when it said it better sound sexy. Fuck them folks. I'm gonna have to get drunk to not cry, bitch. Kaylin has to sit in it. Like, this is a story time, bitch.
This shit is literally like on my thigh. Like, this shit hurt. Like, it's literally, literally the glass is like in my leg right now. For real, like, I don't think it's okay. Who is the person? I want to see the face behind who is busting the windows.
You'll never see him again.
What are you
I
doing?
mean, I know him, but you'll never see him again.
Why is he doing what he doing? Go get a job. That's so lame. Like, that's lame to bust somebody's window.
This is first night
And the
out.
fact that this is normalized, that
Yes,
should not
very,
be normalized.
very, very normal, yeah.
That should not be
This is the least
normalized.
of it. It's the least of it.
Oh yeah, that nigga was telling me how he got shot.
We could have got shot.
Absolutely not.
Yeah, they had me in the line of fire, bitch. Where the nigga got shot?
In a place where I can get shot. That's not my brand. That's not my brand. Getting shot. It's not my brand. Why the fuck?
I'm weeping. This is such a chaotic night already, bitch. It's not even 12 o'clock. It's 12:07, bitch.
So my question is, why would you put me in the line of fire? I want to live.
Kaylin is more mad than me at this point. You can drink it. I'm fine, bro. That window blessed sober be right the fuck on up. Oh my god. Okay, wow. Let me get drunk.
I see it.
I feel it. Red. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn heads.
Kaylin is still mad.
Can I say something?
Kaylin is still
Can I
mad.
say something?
Yes, you can say something.
How y'all doing? I just want to say, look, these the party animals, for real, for real. Second time's a charm, and y'all live.
Believe me when I say it's pouring down rain. My window got busted out. Kaylin knocked the fuck out. It's tsunami, bitch. Outside. It's just a shit night. Okay, now we're on to assess the damage. It's the busted shit for me.
They really busted yo. Like, oh no, God, don't like that's some fighting shit. Like, what the fuck is your problem, bro? Like, what the fuck? This ain't even your shit. And look at this shit. Look at your seed. I'm mad, bro. I'm mad for your ass, but that's crazy.
So now we're about to put.
Hold on. This shit is crazy.
They
Troy,
threw all this
bro.
trash on the ground and shit. They went through this.
They went through all this shit. This shit was like this when I came in.
When did they check my trunk? Nothing's taken.
They did open that shit though, cause it's all out.
Yeah, it's giving very much 3 in the morning. This is double-sided tape.
Damn, this shit like gelatin. I like
I
this.
should have got scissors.
Man, I ain't even gonna cap to y'all, bro. Tonight has been something, man. Like, tonight been something, bro. This shit is crazy. They could have just opened the fucking door. They didn't have to bust no windows. That shit is crazy, yo. Look, let me tell you something. If they bust my windows, we all finna be out there trying to motherfucking put a puzzle together, because y'all finna glue this shit back together right now. Y'all, we all finna, look, y'all finna ring around the motherfucking rosy and put my shit back together. This shit ain't real, bro.
Okay, so it's double-sided tape. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put one trash bag on the outside. But I'm gonna need to get more trash bags. I'm gonna put 2.
You think so?
Yeah, but I'm gonna put some on the inside. But it's double-sided tape, so hold on. Because this is what we're gonna stick it to. Stick it to the outside. I'm gonna stick this up there.
Oh, it's double-sided for real?
Yeah. I can't open this door.
Huh?
I can't. When we get this done, we can't open the door.
Wow.
We should have stuck it.
You still can't open the door. What you mean?
No, because like when we tape this closed, like we put the tape over here, we should have put it down here. But it's fine. It doesn't matter. I don't need to open this door anyway. I just feel like shit be a sign.
There you go.
I feel like everything is a sign.